All right, it's Thursday. I'm coming to you from the parking lot at Wells Fargo because I popped a radiator hose. So luckily I had a backup in the car. So I swapped it all out, and now it's gonna be Bleed Boys time. Top tip: don't have my flathead screwdriver, but got my key. Put thread tooth deep in there, just spin it till she moves. Get on it! I was like, oh, okay. What's up? I'm back. I'm here. I am looking for paper and a pen because I need to write down a couple of the plug wire orders. I get that out of my mind, right? So I know when I'm pulling about, I'm doing crank. Leave right now. Let me double check. It's a cam. Sorry, doing cam out. Just pulled the first one, but these actually have really hard to see, but they have letters on them. See those letters? Yeah. So I'm just gonna write down, green A, brown B, purple C, and then I'm gonna lube them and wire them and try not to mess this up. Okay. And Carlos just taught me how to do this. That's the first one. Started like this, 3-wire Plano, like that, depinned it, ran loom. First, underneath all this, there is heat shrink. And then there's the loom, and then there's heat shrink to close it off, heat shrink to close it off down here. You can see there, heat shrink labeled, 2 more heat shrinks, and then pinned back in, like so. All right, on the wire 2, cam in. It's the 3-wire Halloween colors. I just laid down the heat shrink. I'm gonna hit this, and then I'm gonna throw the loom back over, and then I'm gonna throw a little more heat shrink over that loom, label it, heat shrink, boom. Probably back done, not too long. It's getting hot here, I'm sweating because this heat on. Well, is it with the heat shrink on it, so you guys saw it before and after. Same 3 Halloween wires. I'm gonna get now. Places. I don't know if you remember this, but this used to be my expansion tank. Yes, expansion tank. And now I have traded it out for this bad boy. So this has always been here. I did change it up for some reason. Those 2 holes over there, it's holding this thing out, and then this is kind of dangling in the middle. Didn't need to be like that. I just set it right on top of there. The line still clears down there, and then I took a fitting that was in here that was going from a NTP to a -4, and I changed it for an NTP to -3, and then I used this -3 brake line that I had, routed that over to here, to another -3, and now this is just, oh, sorry, that's the in. This is the adapter. And then this one is just running out just in case the overflow even goes for. It's not so big, but it should never happen. It's trash now. Don't know what to do with the cap. Oh, there's the cap. Usually have a hole in the cap through this rubber, and then we dip a line through it. That, that is much better. Back to my wiring and cleaning up some of this excess. But all right, look at that. Beaut. Cam. Crank in, crank out. Got to use those old ones, they stuck still. Those are the ones I did. This should be cam in. Not bad, right? Recap what we did today. You guys already saw all of the Lingenheimer wiring that we did. Oh, got to starting the air duct plate. Whoa, losing you. So that's in. I have it. So there's rivets running along here. And I've got this kind of build up just by hand because I don't have any real tools. Yeah. So that's that. It's pretty tight. Hopefully it gets some more air into this radiator. I rehooked up the oil cooler and gave it some new bolts. So that hardware is nice and ready to go. Super tight fitment right there. But what I got to is took the dash out obviously already, and I needed to make a new holder for the arc because it's just super double-sided tape, or not even double-sided tape, Velcro, and it was getting hot and melting and stuff. So I think I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna drill some holes and do some rivets, big head rivets that hold onto the metal. Carlos Pools 101.
Not doing it, dude.
Are we waiting for the mixture to still mix?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. We're waiting for our E85 to mix with our 91.
Next, dude.
Slow.
Next, dude. Just gotta swishy.
Letting all the E85 mix up. Oh yeah, there it goes. You can really feel the mixture coming through. The power surging. Sketchy. Steering rack was leaking, as you can tell. This got pinched in there, and I'm assuming all the fluid is coming out of there. So that one's trash. And I'm doing it. Leak hasn't stopped. So I took the fitting off today while it was dirty in there. And out. Carl's giving me a socket. New washer going on with new fitting. And should be Cheeto.
Do you need extension?
No.
Sure?
Dude, stop with the extension. Fucking all extensions. Carlos likes to give me like 50 extensions every time I ask for them. Alright.
A little over 100, so it's good. Oh shit, bro. I need to get boost ASAP.
Got a turbo or a supercharger, bro? I need to get boosted ASAP.
Oh, what's up, bro? I'm Beach Diz.
Check out the spree.
Oh, what's up, bros? You trying to race or what?
Oh, no, bro.